Welcome to the Daily Tagalog. Today's phrase is Ayos lang ako, which means I'm fine or I'm okay in English. Let's say it together. Ayos lang ako. One more time, slowly. Ayos lang ako. Now at a natural speed. Ayos lang ako. Here's what each word means. Ayos means fine or okay. Lang is a softener. It means just or only. And ako means I or me. Put it all together. Ayos lang ako. I'm just fine. Here's a simple conversation using this phrase. Kumusta ka? Ayos lang ako. Salamat. You can use this phrase casually with friends, family, or even strangers. It's a polite and relaxed way to say you're doing okay. Let's practice one more time. Repeat after me. Ayos lang ako. Thanks for learning with the Daily Tagalog. Want to keep going? Check out the next lesson. How to say thank you in Tagalog. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Tagalog phrases.